Jason, a 23-year-old originally from Silver Lake, Kansas. Jason's been paying his bills through temporary work in the Topeka area since high school, but now he's ready to hang up his apron and learn some high-demand skills. The catch is, he's not sure what industry best suits him, so he heads to KANSASWORKS for ideas.
So Jason, tell me what you like to do.
Well, I really love making and building things, so a career that would allow me to work with my hands would definitely be ideal.
Have you thought about a registered apprenticeship? That could be a way to launch the career of your dreams and get paid every step of the way.
I wouldn't mind getting paid to learn on the job.
Based on your wish list, I think a career in manufacturing, construction, or even the energy industry would be a great fit. I have scheduled appointments for you to visit employers in each one.
Thank you.
Does Jason have the right build for construction? Could he make it in manufacturing? Or will energy best spark his interest? Let's find out.
Hi, Scott.
How's it going, Jason?
Doing good, how about you?
Good. Welcome to the world of construction. What excites you about construction?
Well, I'm a big fan of woodworking, so definitely excited to learn more.
Well, that's good. You came to the right place. We got a few job sites for you to visit today and show you all the different avenues that are available to you in construction.
Sounds good.
As a construction apprentice, you'll get paid to learn everything from framing to finishing. Eventually, you may want to specialize in a particular trade, like carpentry, masonry, or even HVAC. You'll be assigned an experienced mentor to work alongside and take some tech college classes to help you master the skills you need to earn a certificate or license. The length of these programs varies, but for example, most people can become a licensed journeyman carpenter in 3 to 4 years. If you want to advance in your career, you can eventually become a supervisor, foreman, or even a project estimator. Construction jobs are in great demand across Kansas, so you'll always have plenty of options.
There's a lot that I like here, Scott. I love the idea of doing hands-on work like this. Plus, they look pretty good in a tool belt.
All right, we got work to do. Let's go.
Next, Jason exchanges his building blueprints for robotic schematics.
Hi.
Hey Jason.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to the innovative world of manufacturing. Here in Kansas, we use a variety of machines to create various products, from animal food to rocket ships.
Wow, that's a big range.
I know, right? And it's all through advanced technology. Come on, I'll show you around. Through this registered apprenticeship, you'll learn how to operate and even program the robots and machines that build our products. This work is hands-on, high-tech, and in demand. You'll get paid while you learn, and when you finish, you'll have a nationally recognized credential to prove you have the skills to work in advanced manufacturing. And if you later decide you want to learn even more skills to advance your career, many companies offer tuition reimbursement programs employees can use to take additional classes in related fields like management or engineering. You'll leave each day knowing you helped create things that solve problems and make people's lives better. Did you know that manufacturing workers have one of the highest job satisfaction rates in the country?
That's pretty sick.
I know, right? You might be surprised to hear that manufacturing is one of the largest industries in Kansas. We could really use a lot of people like you to join our team.
That's pretty cool. I bet I'd have all kinds of future job opportunities if I learned to program, operate, and fix machines like these.
I think that's a bet you would win.
Jason's next and final stop will be electric.
Hey, Gene?
Jason?
Hey, yep, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Hey, you ready to power up your career?
Oh, for sure. You know, there's a lot going on in there. What does all that even do?
Yeah, there's a lot going on in energy, period. I mean, let's face it, without our industry, there'd be nothing to power the world. Let me show you around. Energy offers wide-ranging jobs, including careers in energy production, construction, transportation, engineering, and administration. A lot of people enter this industry as a power lineman. As a lineman, you'll learn how to install, maintain, and repair power lines that connect all our homes and businesses to the power plants that generate the power and deliver it across the national power grid. If you want to steer clear of overhead power lines, you could get a job burying cables and conduit underground, even underwater. There are plenty of jobs in electricity, oil and natural gas production, plus new opportunities in green industries. You could work on wind turbines, solar panels, or build electric vehicle batteries. Energy jobs can be physically challenging, but the pay is excellent and these professions are in great demand. Like all registered apprenticeships, you'll earn a paycheck from day one and finish with a recognized certificate that proves you've mastered this work. And if you ever want to change your career, the industry offers administrative positions you can get into all across Kansas.
Well, Gene, certainly made this a tough call.
You have a stable career with lots of energizing possibilities.
And I bet I'd never look at a power outage the same again.
That's right.
So what'd you think?
I mean, construction will not only allow me to work with my hands, but I also get to build structures that will leave my mark on the world.
Yeah, and how cool would it be to drive by a building and think, I built that?
So cool. And manufacturing, it'll teach me to operate cutting-edge equipment for employers all over the state. And I think I'd enjoy programming machines and robots.
Yeah, and you've been making products that people use every day.
And energy, it's all about fueling our world. I mean, everything runs on some kind of power these days.
There will always be a need for people that know how to work in energy.
And the only thing I am certain of is that registered apprenticeships rock. What do you think I should do?
Which career path should Jason pursue? Construction, manufacturing, or energy? Use this QR code or click on the link in the notes to cast your vote on higherpaths.com. To check out Kansas apprenticeship opportunities, visit KANSASWORKS.com.